Welcome guys, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-troubleshoot if ever na yung output relay ito para sa compressor is walang signal. So gagamit tayo yung pinagbabawal na technique. Ito yung ating neutral, yung pula neutral natin. Terminal number 3 is ating line compressor. Yan o, 4 volts lang siya, pero pagdating sa kanyang fan motor, evaporator fan, meron. So ang pinaka the best na mag-verify is dito. Ayan. So ang ating terminal number 3 ang para sa line compressor. So ito yung neutral, yung pula na yan. Dito number 3, ito yung kanyang line compressor. At pakikita nyo, meron naman 243. So, pinaka-the best dito, jajumper natin to. So, watch and learn.
Right now, I'm just adding leads to the terminal number 3 in preparation for my jumper wire. And here is my jumper wire. I pre-weld it. And let's do the welding. By the way, in the Philippines, we call this pinagbabawal na technique, which is prohibited techniques. Because the proper way is you're going to replace the connector. And there we go, the jumpering is done. And let's check guys if the 243 volts is now being present to the terminal number 3.
Ayan guys, ganun gagawin nyo. Then kapag linagyan nyo ng load, magkakaroon na tayo ng signal dyan. So once again, pula yung ating neutral, at number 3 yung line compressor. Ayan, meron na tayong 243. So ang nangyari mga idol is nasira lang tong pin na ito, although yung kanyang fan motor is na i-contact naman niya. Ayan, so meron tayong 243 para sa line evaporator fan. Line compressor is solve na yung problema. Ayan. So how much more kung hihigpitan pa natin ito. So ganun lang mga idol, mga pinagbabawal na technique. Thanks for watching. Ito, under observation ko ito, nag-abnormal yung kanyang display temperature, pero yung product sa loob is okay naman.
Mahirap po ba mag-ayos mga ka-tech? Nalakalang, diba?